Hey guys, Danny Johnson here with another luxury home walkthrough. Please check the video description for my full playlist on other homes so you can see all the fun designs. This one came in at $1,150,000, 2,730 square feet. It's all on one level. This one has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3-car garage. So one of the first features we see are these large windows off to the front, and what I really loved was the stonework on the home. From afar it just looks like it's gray stone, but look at it up close how they've really put some dimension into this with some of these going in and out. I thought that was an awesome look. It is great how you have some sitting area on the front porch next to the big windows. So walking in, look at the size of these windows, not only down one wall but down the other. Very open, and I thought it was a very nice look, even at dark. So I imagine during the daytime this would be well lit. Huge chimney fireplace here, and it did look a little fake here, I have to say. The flames didn't look real, but it was a nice feature. Here's another look at these beautiful big windows facing the other direction, and I think that's great for an openness design. I have fun chandeliers hanging down here. The other room off the front of the house was set up as an office. This could be a bedroom. It had 3 beautiful windows lined up there, and I like how they had it set up as an office. It has a closet, so it could be a bedroom. And here's a half bathroom. I really like the gold color fixtures in here. I thought they were a nice touch to it, and even on the door handles. And so walking into the dining area kitchen, I like how there were windows up in the top. So that lets in some extra light and gives it some character. Very, very nice built-ins for the kitchen area. Nice refrigerator, nice area for some drinking glasses and some other art if you wanted to put some things up. They did a really good job with putting some lighting in here too. That added another dimension to it, and really good colors. I like the gold with the brown, and even with some of the white backsplash. You have plenty of seating here at a very large island, and I loved the dark stone on that. It was very beautiful. And what I really liked about these cabinets is if you look closely, the backsplash going all the way up the counter goes through, and you can see it through the cabinet. So that was a really cool look to have it just continue onward, and so you have what looked like some floating cabinets. Back towards the entry hall, we're going to go around the corner, and we have 2 bedrooms, so we'll go down into each of these. Notice they continued with the gold theme for the door handles that we saw earlier, and I really like the lighting that was here next to the bed on each side. So good sized bedroom here, and these lights are really cool. They actually swivel, so here's another look at that. And part of the fun of walking through these homes is looking at the different design features. This was a very cool bookshelf here. I like how it had the floating shelves and the wood, the natural wood looks great. And it's cool how this bedroom has its own bathroom to it. So a lot of privacy here, and a very beautiful tile choice that they chose here. I had to zoom in to get you some good quality so you could see this. And the floor was really well done with the drain going in. So here's the other bedroom that's off to the other side. Nice 3 windows above it and a sliding barn door. I really like that touch. And the floor in here, not my favorite. But I do like how it was a solid tile for inside the closet, putting your shoes down. And the tile work in this bathroom was great, floor to ceiling, very beautiful. And nice gold fixtures everywhere as well. So the master bedroom is found off of the kitchen, so we'll walk through here. It's at the back of the home. Beautiful big room here. I like the 2 windows on each side to encase the bed. And tell me what you think about this bathtub. I don't think you've ever seen anything like this before. It's almost like a hammock. It almost looks like a canoe that's been mounted to the wall. Beautiful surrounding tile. But this has a little spout on one side. You pretty much have to lay down in it the minute you get in it. But notice how the drain on this works. Basically, it just falls straight down into the floor. So they have a little cutaway, and when you're done, it just drains down in there. So that was very interesting. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before. I really did like this tile, though. I think it looked great with the different color fixtures that they used, and it looked great with the glass. And so a nice glass door there, and a lot of work into this tile floor. I like the floating vanity here, nice black color. And the chandelier was an interesting style. Nice backsplash too. The walk-in closet had a good amount of space with drawers and a mirror, and so I think they did a great job on the master closet. You have a little opaque door here that closes it off, and a little toilet back there behind it. But yeah, great job on the floor. I really like the tile and all the work that they did there. Coming back into, as we leave the master, I just wanted to show you that there is a back exit, sliding door that would go into the backyard. And backyard has a lot of fun features, and so we'll go check that out. So you have a nice covered area here, and look at the roof that they did. They did a nice job with that. Fire pit. And the same stone on the front of the house is what we see on this fire pit. So I'm glad they brought that into it, especially with how much I liked the stone on the wall. This is fake grass, the AstroTurf. And again, the nice paneling on the roof for the patio here. It's very elegant looking. I like how you also have an outside grilling area, and they even had a miniature golf putting green here. Here's another look at the formal dining room, and one last look at these cabinets. I think they did a really good job with these hanging shelves, the floating shelves that are encased with the gold. So here's a nice little area to sit down to put your shoes on your way out. And the pantry was actually pretty big. It was around the corner. So you do have a butler style pantry. And this leads into the laundry room. The tile was okay. I really like the colors that they used in here. A nice dark look to it. So they had a water bottle filling station, so fun little feature there. And the garage was not too big, but just what you'd expect. So anyway, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please check the video description for more videos that are like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.